Flyers, sir. Just display on the screen, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I sent you.
You need me to zoom in on that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Wait 1 second.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I have been to around almost all the colleges in Bangalore, Karnataka also. Nobody writes my spelling correctly. Yeah, spelling will always be wrong. A. Anyways, no problem. On others have come. And then
To
you
all
other
others.
have come. Mars, immune systems and Mars. 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 ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. That's why I think thinking PDFs ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ share ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So you just stand and monitor them. They can misuse them. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ videos ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, videos ಕಳ್ಸಿ. Manually not working. That I have prepared specially for you people.
I understand. 이제 남은 왜 하는 ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿವಾಗ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್
ಖಂಡಿತ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ is tomorrow just after that I will give you the whole flow how to go and start now. So ಅದು ಒಂದು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಇದೆ. This is a PDF for Maven build tool and also about this. All the nodes installation part of Maven is given here. Also, I've given you a video as well. See, that is whole overview is given here also. In there also you'll get the Maven installation. Everything. I think you got this PDF. There are 9 pages. Everything regarding properly. Installation steps, so engage ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. There are 2 steps that you should remember, very important. ಒಂದೇ notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ. Yes.
creating two variables.
Yes, yes. There are 2 variables that you should know. One is the Maven home. Maven underscore home. One is M2 underscore home. Okay. So what you normally do is, I will tell you something there. Right. Go to your browser, type Maven download. Okay, normal steps. This is already shown in the video. Go to download Apache Maven. Maven's parent company is Apache. Okay. This is the version that you have right now. You have to download which one? The second one. Binary. Okay. This folder you have to download. Download ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ unzip ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು in your system. Can be C drive, B drive doesn't matter. Just go with there. This zip file. Okay, this one, second one, binary zip file. Okay, already ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ in the system they have been done that. After that, unzip it. Then what you do is, for me it is here. See, in my D drive, if I go to, I have created a separate folder called Apache. Inside that, you can see Apache Maven 3.9.6. Ali.
Now it is visible now.
Maybe the internet connectivity is slow. So once you have unzipped, go to that folder and this URL you will copy. That is, copy that. Okay, after copying, what you will do is, you can see this PC here, right? This you copy. Okay. See what I'm saying. After you have unzipped that, open that folder wherever you have made it. Version number will be given 3.9.9.8 whatever. Unzip that and copy this part. Okay. Then go to this PC here. Side you can see this PC. Right click, properties, go to advanced system settings. Windows 11 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, Windows 10 ಇದ್ರೆ side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ side. Okay. Click on that environment variables. You have to create two variables. One is maven underscore. Okay. The steps are given in the PDF. You can check that. Maven underscore root, just like I have written this. Here I just now I mentioned. So I'll show you the steps how to do it. See here in the system variables. In the here in the user variables or system variables, do it in the user variables. Okay, user variables. Click on new, write down maven home. Don't do it now, it's already might be already done. If it is not done, then maven underscore home. Okay, case sensitive capital letters on maven underscore home. Whatever you copied from that path, you paste not. Sorry, not this one. That path. This path. A folder ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ path na copy ಮಾಡು. Copy and go back there. And you have to paste it here. Okay. I will not do it. I have already done it. Maybe paste one. Then next is create one more variable called m2 underscore home. M2 underscore home. Okay. M2 underscore home. Paste the same location there. Click on OK. Then there, if you scroll here, you path and the variable. Just like Java variables add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ edit ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will click on new and here you paste that but not till 3.9 was that version. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ /bin ತನಕ ಮಾಡು /bin ತನಕ. Okay, then you click on OK. After that, clear? Sorry. Like that. /bin, /bin, not /bin, /bin. I will tell you what is that. That bin or binary folder, it's this bin. In bin folder ಒಳಗಡೆ you have all the bin compilers. That's why we need bin path. Yes, sir. It might be already done in the system. You can refer the underscore. I call it underscore. You can refer the VDA that is given. M2 underscore home. Same. Done. Then what happens? You go to any terminal, press Windows and R, go to CMD command prompt, press enter, and here after that you say MVN space hyphen version. Press enter, you will get the version of Maven. You should get the version of. ಈ ತರ ಬರಬೇಕು. 3.8.6 ಇದೆ. If you are downloading latest one, you will get the latest version. Don't write Maven, you write MVN. Okay, the whole steps is given in the video. It's a very small video, 4-5 minutes long. You can look at that. By installing in your laptops or system. And remember, this will not come if there is no Java installed. Even is a Java build tool. Only Java is there. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಗ್ರೇಡೆಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬೇಡ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಬೇಡ. ರೈಟ್ ನೌ now in IntelliJ, let's do one thing. Done for everyone. Finish that. So that's why I say, right, this is not a lab program. This is what I meant by that. There are lots of steps. There is no lab program in this DevOps tutorials. There are lots of installations to be done. Please, you will space it. What is it? Install that, then you and then download money, then you Java is coming. So any problem, or that was a video, 5 minutes video. Whenever we are creating, okay, now we will go to IntelliJ. For you, IntelliJ will not look like this. A black color screen where you will have new project and something like that. Black color screen. So no need to worry about that. Click on the new project button. There is a plus button, right? Okay. File new. I'm doing like this. Uh, Interface like this. Something like that. It will be black color for you. Do not worry about that. Okay. So what you will do?
But it has taken your new project under Java.
No problem, no problem. So you select Java, specifically select Java problem. Okay, and write down, say Java test, something test. Okay. And I think in your B2 syllabus, they have added something called Costa and Selenium. Yes, that is a new subject added this time. Anyone is handling that subject also? No. Okay. But have you heard about Selenium? You heard? Okay, we'll be learning a little bit of that also. Because DevOps is both development plus testing. That is why it is called DevOps. The whole thing is integrated together. Okay. So this I'm writing the project name as Java test. You can write anything you want. I want to show you what happens when we do use build tools. Use ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you will understand. Same thing you have to show it to the students also. When we use digital system and when we use manual writing pad and notepad and all this, difference you will understand. Okay, then your language will be Java only. Otherwise, for you, I think here you have an option called Java, right? Here you have an option with something brown color symbol like that Java. Click on that. Okay, then build system will be intelligent. Okay, even and gradient don't choose now because you don't know what is meant. Don't choose that. Still IntelliJ, JDK version I have 17, 16, 21, etc. I will use 17. This is the most stable version of Java till now. Okay, I have been using this for the last 7, 8 years. Okay. What are the options that you have?
17.
That you can use. Whatever is selected by default, you can use that also. No problem. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Right now, for this project, you can use that. But 17 should be installed for using Jenkins. It will come later. For me, by default, I don't have to do anything. It is automatically selected because my computer knows that this guy uses 17 only. So it is automatic. For you, by default, 21 might come, 22 might come, something like OpenJDK might come. It depends. Okay. And for doing all these things, I have given you a whole Java playlist. If you want to learn, you can learn from there also. Everything is given. Okay. And then just click on create.
Location.
Location, it will be by default ideal projects.
But what do you need? Something ideal projects.
Idea projects only. Idea projects. D or C something.
You can choose what.
Let it be by default so that it is easy. See, all the IntelliJ idea projects that you create will be inside this folder called idea projects. Suppose you are creating a website, that project will be here. So it will be easy to find out. For PyCharm, have you heard about Python PyCharm? All that will be inside PyCharm by default. And IntelliJ and PyCharm are from the same company. The company name is JetBrains. When installing IntelliJ IDEA, you might have find something called JetBrains. JetBrains is the parent company of these two companies. They develop editors, compilers for running Java code, Python code. Okay. So just click on OK or create, and it will ask you something like this window or new window. You have to create that. It's asking you something. Not asking, then it open like this. Fine, no problem. New window. If it's asking new window, not asking means no problem. Done? I done. Okay, now what you will do? We will go to a website in Google. Just write down Swag Labs. SWAGLABS. We will go to a website sourcedemo.com. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ sourcedemo.com ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Somewhere you will get it. Sourcedemo.com. Write down Swag Labs. SWAG. I will share the link if you want. This is how it will look like. Okay. Sourcedemo.com. The name of the website is Swag Labs. The URL is sourcedemo.com. You will get that because only /v1 anta ide. Remove ಮಾಡಿ. This is my website only. That's why I am saying. Don't worry. You go into the old version. That was version 1. Just remove that and you will get this fresh website. Okay. Now, this I have dedicated for testing only. Okay, simple one. What we do here, we see login functionality. Okay, na? Username is there, password is there, login button. Very simple functionality to understand how Selenium works. So that after that, what we will do here, time series. We have username. You can take any username from here. Take the first one, standard user. Copy that. Paste it here. Paste money. Password is everything same for all of them. Secret sauce at the secret sauce at the password. Password for all users. Copy that. Paste it there. Click on login. You will see a cart. On cart card. You can buy. You can check credit tracking on. Okay, you're getting that? Yes. What did we do just now? We entered the username. We entered the password. We logged in. Did we verify our functionality? It's a lot. What functionality? Login functionality. Correct? We did it manually. Manually ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. Copy paste ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Imagine doing it for 100 users. Doing it for 1 lakh users. One thing will wait. Time ಇರಲ್ಲ. This is manual testing. That's why we use Selenium for. Okay. The developer will do the first level of testing. What is that testing? Unit testing. What about the unit testing? The basic level testing of the website is done by the developer itself. Okay, that is called white box testing. box is done by manual testers. They don't have access to the code. Grey box is they have little access to the code also and the UI. That is grey box. White box is pure developer based testing. These are some terminologies you have to remember. Okay. Then what we did manually, now we will use Selenium to do the automation in the market. After that, for that, do one thing. Go to a website called, I will write down the name, Selenium, Selenium, selenium.dev. Did you get a green color selenium tick? Other green selenium selenium.dev. Are you getting a selenium icon with a tick? Green box. Open that website. This is the official website of Selenium. This is the logo, Selenium with the green tick, this tick. In the download section, you can go there, go to download section. Yes. What you do is scroll down. See, right now we will not be using normal Java. But automation testing. This is the website. How do you interact with this website? You need something. So, how many of you have used JDBC? What about JDBC? Java database connectivity. JDBC. What happens? You have a Java application and you have your database SQL. How to connect between them? Normal connect madakagala. This is written in Java. This is written in MySQL. Some database code. The extension is .db. How do you connect? You need some interface, right? That interface is called API. We use the JDBC API. Illa andre work agala. To do that, because of I am using say MySQL model. So then I need to use some connector. That is called the MySQL connector. MySQL connector. But it will have an extension. The extension is, I will write it in black color so that I can remember. JAR. It is called a jar file. You might have heard about this word, jar. What is jar? Jar is a file which is a collection of lots of Java files. It's called Java archive. Collection of Java files. It is Java archive. Okay, all the Java application files are clubbed into one package. It is called Java archive. Java. This will be connected here so that your Java application can talk to the SQL server. You cannot communicate. It's like I know Hindi, you know Kannada, you know English. Someone might has to know both languages, not only English. That is API, application programming interface. It helps you to connect with this. In Java, all the libraries are called APIs only. Okay, so now what we will do? MySQL jar is used for connecting to database. Selenium jar is used to connect to the website. Right, that is for specific application. Selenium is a automation tool used to automate websites. Okay, now let's do one thing. You have gone to this website. Scroll down. Can you see there is a Selenium server built something? Yeah. Yes. Click ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ download ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು. Click on this 4.2.28.1. It will download. Download it into desktop or documents or download anywhere you want. Just download that. Okay. Download this to desktop. Just for your account. Okay. Download ಮಾಡಿ and go to your desktop. You will see something like this. If I show you, maximize the screen. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು jar file ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಗ್ತಾ? All of you downloaded that? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, that Selenium server file you have to download. Yes. This one you have to download now. In this downloads page, this one you have this one you have to download. Huh? Everyone has done that? No? Go to your desktop again. See, copy this. Copy ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜಾರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ go back to your intermediate project. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ just Java testing. Yes, your project has the name Java test like this. Right click on that. Just right click. I'm saying right click. Create a new directory. You're getting the option new directory. Click on that. Write down LIB. Some people write resources. Some people write library. Write LIB. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಟ್ ಜಾರ್ ಫೈಲ್ paste. It will look like this. See, library server.java. Yes. Now, okay. Now, see the steps very important. Try to understand. I'll go slow so that you can also follow. ಈ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಬರೀ ಇಟ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು similarly the jar file has to be added to our structure. So I'm telling you the steps. Remember this. Go to file. If you don't have file, maybe on top you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines that are there. Yes, I know that in web also. I don't like it. That's why I don't use it. So go to that 4 dots. Click on that. You will get project structure. Yes, getting project structure and that. Click on that. You will get something like this. Okay. Go. It will be in project like that. Go to libraries. Are you getting libraries? Nothing is there. Yeah, you should be good. You should be happy. Nothing is there. Click on plus. For me also nothing is there. You can follow this way. Nothing. Kali. Click on plus. ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಜಾರಿಲಿ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, that is a dependency for your project. Suppose you are doing some API development. ಇವಾಗ API jar add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Suppose you are connecting to Tomcat. You will add Tomcat jar. Everything you have to do because in Java you will not have all those classes. Those are some dedicated classes for that operation. Okay, for that you will do that. So click on this. Click on Java. Are you getting Java option? Click on that. Automatically your project will be highlighted like this in the name. Yes. Carefully click on that arrow that you see there. Click on that arrow. Click on that. There is a library folder that you created.
Yes.
Open that arrow also. And you will have Selenium server.jar. Yes. Just click on that. Click Madhra. And click on OK. And click one more time OK. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Now click on apply and OK. Apply and yeah. Sorry. Once again. Okay. Go to that file option. Go to project structure. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ನನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಬ್ರರೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಜಾವಾ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? You will see your project is highlighted like that. Open the arrow open ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? LIB open that arrow. Then you will see Selenium server 4.2 installed on your lab. Click on that. Only ಅಲ್ಲಿ click ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Then click on OK. I will not do it. I have already done that. Okay. Sir, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಓಕೆ ಕೇಳಿ. After that, apply and OK. It is added to your project structure now. Right? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. Whatever errors or mistakes you write down to one page for errors. Now that same question will go to students' paper. So make sure you write it down. How you resolve it? That is very important. Error resolution is the most important element. Make sure you write it down.
Santi
So libraries are added now. One college I got an instruction like this. ನಮಗೆ 12 program ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ program ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. There are no programs. Like they said, sir, just do the 12 programs in 2 hours and win. And okay, I did. 12 PDF ಇತ್ತು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? I don't want to tell the name of the college. Confidential. But ಇನ್ನು ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಬಂತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Sir, I don't understand what you are doing. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ those steps you have to remember and for that only I will give you lots of documents our documents would be so that see this subject has come in VTU for this time wow, it will be there for the next 10 years 100% it will be there because they have seen that companies come and ask about DevOps only what is abstraction, what is encapsulation, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೈರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಬಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ is only when asked. Okay, so this much is done. After that, what you do is in your source folder, you right click and create a new package. Okay, create a new package. Just write down something like this. org ORG stands for organization. Okay, ORG. You can write COM also. COM stands for company. ಯಾವ್ದು ORG dot. I will do some testing thing, so I will say test. Yes. ORG is one folder. Other folder test is one more folder. I think I got in the separate one. Okay. So you got that folder. See, it's just a folder. In Java terms, in IT terms, it is called package. Package is nothing but a collection of classes and interfaces. That's all. Suppose Goa Govidira, Goa till photo na, Goa folder. It's like that. All the similar Java files will be in that particular package. That is called a package. Package is nothing but a folder. In IT terms, in language terms, programming terms, it is called a package. So now, this main file that you have, not needed, delete that file.
Which one?
Main class anta one bandirutte automatic. Just delete that file. Okay. Now the package that we created, there, ORG.test. In that package, right click and create a new Java class. Okay. ORG.test, only right click ಮಾಡಿ, create a new Java class. Give the name. What kind of test we are doing? Login test, right? Just write login. And please remember, write L capital and T capital in this. What kind of syntax is this? This is called Pascal naming convention. Camel case under first word, first letter, small letter. When you write all words, first letter capital, that is called the Pascal naming convention. It is used for classes and some constants. Okay, login test, TEST. For functions, we use the normal one. You are getting something like this now? Yes?
Yes.
Now, shortcuts. Main function very big. Normally, people write public static void main. After that time, just like main, press enter. Okay? Or else you can also do like this. You know it? PSVM, public static void main, enter. Okay, now I want to connect to my website by using an interface called WebDriver. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? If you write WE WebDriver ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. Is it coming?
No. No.
Just write WebDriver. Is it showing?
Yes.
Showing it should show.
Issue is that you are not that capital.
Ah. Always remember, any class in Java, any interface in Java is capital letter. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಕಲ್ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. This would be a very important thing that you tell your students also. Otherwise, many people have lost their jobs because of this. Java class name should be, many people write like this. This is a very bad thing. They write class demo. Movie ತಕ್ಷಣ manager size ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 19%. When you were doing some deployment, the testing team will not know this. They will write capital D, and the testing will fail. They ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So they follow standards, they follow documents. If you are not following the document, it's not their loss. They will say, and then again you will come back and you will have to rectify it. So always maintain organization standards. Java class name should be always capital letter. First letter should be capital. First letter. Suppose more letter is there, more words is there. First letter of each word should be capital. Always. Pascal letter. Okay. So here I will write WebDriver. You getting the suggestion? WebDriver. What I am doing is I am creating object. Class name object equal to new class. Okay. So WebDriver driver equal to. Suppose you have made a website. Will you only open that website Flipkart in Google Chrome only? Internet Explorer open ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Brave browser ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I think some of you had Brave browser. Yes. For some this one Microsoft Edge browser. And for iOS operating systems, you have the Safari browser. So your application needs to be compatible to all the browsers. You never know which person will use one browser. It should be compatible to all of them, right? So WebDriver is an interface where you get a feature of testing the same application in lots of different browsers. So I will just say equal to new. You are getting say all the drivers. ಯಾವ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅದೇ ಆಟೋಮೇಷನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ they will use I will use say suppose Google Chrome. I will say Chrome drive. So this is class name object equal to new class name, something like this. This is what feature of Java. This is called multiple inheritance. ಒಂದೇ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇಂದ 10 ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. Called multiple inheritance. Okay, now driver dot get. There is a function called get. Are you getting this? Okay. Next line. Get only what is the argument it is expecting? String what? URL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ URL. sourcedemo.com browser ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Open that. Go to this URL, copy this URL again. sourcedemo.com. Just copy this URL. sourcedemo.com. Copy that. And here, like get in double quotes, paste that URL like this. And it's visible for everyone. Just paste it. Driver dot get. Object dot method name. We're calling a method. Sorry. Okay. Aita. Leave it going. That website URL I copied and pasted here. Okay. Now, right click anywhere in this page, empty space, run open run login test. Run ಮಾಡಿ but ಎದರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ something run that something will happen. See, Google browser open ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Google Chrome will open. See, is it okay? Sorry.
Whiteboard has blocks about the features of it.
What the book is coming? Allow ಮಾಡಿ allow ಮಾಡಿ browser open ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ did we manually open it this is automatic ಹೇಳಿ what happened I will not tell you what is wrong. I will not tell you what is wrong. You have to find it out, na. See my code and see your code. This madhya gap hai, gap and full stop alla agibide. Check ಮಾಡಿ. You got it? What happens? Tell me. That is required because it is dependency. See, now
Explorer.
don't use that Internet Explorer, the Google Chrome, my Internet
Just
ಮಾಡಬಹುದು Firefox ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು if you want. All of you are getting the browser open? Yes. After that, we have three things. ಒಂದು ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to enter some username, right? You already know the username and the password. So what I will do, I'll show you something. See, if you are learning web development, this is a very important thing for you guys to understand. Here, in this browser, this whole thing is called the web page. If I right click and go to inspect, I will open something called DOM, D-O-M. That is called a document object model. That will show the HTML3, this whole thing. Okay, now ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ open ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ open ಮಾಡಿ. See there are three dots here on the side. Click on that. Click on the middle arrow or down. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Two points ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Inspect ಮಾಡಿ first. You get it? Yes sir. Error? What error? You might have written wrong in the Java code. Now you got the inspection tool. This one here. You can see on the last corner there is an arrow right there. Okay. The normal color is nothing. If you click on that, the mouse will become blue in color. Try to understand what I'm saying. It will become blue in color. Yes or no? Now it has got the selector property. You can select anything on that. Don't click anywhere. Okay? Just go there and go to the username. Ella kade color change aagutade. Don't click anywhere. Just hover. Hover ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It can show you all the properties written there. So now go to the username box and click there. Click there. You can see something called ID equal to 1. Get and the ID equal to 1. What is that ID equal to? User hyphen name, right? Yes or no? User hyphen name. Everyone can see that? Yes or no? Yes. All of you, just remember that user hyphen name. Yes. Same thing. Go back to the selector again. Click on that. The password and click. You will see ID equal to password. Vidya? Yes. What I said is, we have to go to the selector, click there, and then go and click on password. You will get ID equal to password. Yes. Similar type. Again, go back there, selector, click on login. You will see ID equal to login dash button. Vidya? Yes. Login dash button or login hyphen button, login minus button, whatever it is. You remember those things? Yes. These are the way by which you can identify these elements. These are elements of the web page. You have your tag input tag because input matter. This is what input tag. This is what. This is a button tag. This is a button. So button tag. Okay. So just remember the three IDs: user dash name, password, and login dash button. Okay. Now you will interact with it. Go to your code and write down. But even the observe when we ran this code, was it maximized? So I don't like working on this kind of screens. I will maximize the screen by writing a command like this. I'll say driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. ಇವಾಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ After writing, I will share the whole code in WhatsApp group. Okay, don't worry. If you're making mistakes also, don't go there. Is it full screen?
Yes.
After running, check if it is opening in full screen now. It should open first. I mean, it will automatically open full screen like this. So we are learning automation also. Part of the works. Okay, I'll close this now. Manually close ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ will close by writing code also. Okay. Now you remember the three IDs. So what I do, I will just write it down in a comment like this. Uh, User name, password, and login button for my reference. Will work on it. Now, first one, driver dot find element by what attribute you are using ID, right? Remember ID? That is, what was the first ID? What was the first ID? Username. I'm copying from here and pasting it here. Okay. Yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ username. Yes or no? What was the username? Tell me. What was the username? You said the standard user. Usually, after username, ಈ bracket ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ s1 dot a function or function called send keys. Check ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೆಯಾ? Send keys ಇದೆಯಾ? Driver dot find element bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ID user. Okay. Double quotes ಅಲ್ಲಿ. What was the username there? Standard user. Standard pattern user. Hyphen or underscore. Underscore. Yes. And similarly, do it for the password field also. Driver dot find element by dot ID. This is password. What was the password? Secret sauce, right? Secret underscore sauce. What was the last one? Login button. Driver dot find element by dot ID. That ID is login button. But login button ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೋ paste ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ whatever we need click ಮಾಡಿ dot click ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That's all. Easy understanding, right? What we are doing. We are finding the element and doing an interaction with that. For the first two elements, we are entering the name, standard user and the password. For the last one, we are interacting by clicking on them, not anything else. Okay, now I will share you the code. Don't have to, if you want to, copy this and I will share it with you. Waste. I've shared the whole code in WhatsApp only. You can check that if you want. ಇವಾಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. So there is less space on down. Okay, you can write it the same line also. No problem. I've shared that in WhatsApp. You can log into WhatsApp and just copy paste it. Control C, control V. Run ಮಾಡಿ run ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆ page automatic login username password ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು. It will go to the Google maximize directly on the board. Now you can check this. You can have an array of names. You can check for 1,000 in that. That's the it's buying the report. Doctor also. It will automatically come like that. You don't have to write that. Now you open, logging in, and okay. Now it is automated. Now you have done this for a dummy website. If you have done this for a dummy website, now we will have our own website deployed and we will do it on that. Okay? Because you cannot do any dummy website to students. Right. So, but you saw one thing from the beginning. What we did, we had to first create a project. Yes, we had to create a project. After that, what we did, we had to add a jar file. Remember what we did? We have to add a jar file. Correct? Jar file add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ we have to go to the project structure. From there we have to click on plus. Then we have to add that jar file. Click on OK. There are at least minimum 50 steps. That's why this way of doing it is not recommended. This thing you have to show it to the students because we are not using the build tool. This is really difficult to follow, and you have to manually figure out this thing, this project structure, and all. You have to decide. I created exactly folder, I created package, I created this, that. But in case of build tools, this project structure is automatically done by the compiler. That is why we use build tools. Why? To download jar files, it becomes easy. To maintain the project structure, it becomes easy. Suppose today I am using 4.28.1. Remember that version? 4.28.1 jar. Suppose tomorrow some other version comes. I can just write down the version, it will automatically download. That's why we use build tools. Out of that, the most important build tools are our Gradle and Maven. Okay? So, Gradle, Maven, and Gradle. Okay, so what we will do now, I will show you one more thing. These are our build tools. Why is it important? The first thing is it is important for dependency management. Jar files are called dependencies. It is very easy to manage dependencies. Management. Okay, adding jars, etc. Yes, sir. There is something wrong with the username that you use. Check that. The rule. The setting or something that It should be correct.
Also, T also.
Everything should be correct. And I underscore button alarm is blocking. This is my mistake. Okay, I know. I know. You have to check the error, read the error. Done. So first thing first, dependency management becomes easy. Maintaining the project structure becomes easy. And then third thing, very important, this thing becomes easy. What to say? Going back to earlier versions, this also becomes easy. Suppose you want to go to a old version, just write down 4.2, 1.3. Then also go back to that version. All this thing becomes easy. For this proper notes, you can follow that PDF. Now, let's start with topic number one properly. Yes, now we'll start with it. Happy? Now we'll start. So I think to do this, you will need 1 week. First week will go on this. I mean, 2 weeks will go on this only, whatever you have done. That is very important to understand. Ilandre, you cannot continue with others. So for the first week, you will need IntelliJ, you will need JDK, you will need Univen, and what? You will need normal understanding of detailed data. Then only you can start with the first topic. Now you understood why we are using build tools. The first build tool is Maven. I need to install Maven by checking Maven space ipn These are two things: Maven underscore home and m2 underscore. Once you do it 2, 3 times, you will understand and remember that. Okay, clear? Now do one thing. Go to IntelliJ again, and I'll share you one PDF. Follow along with the PDF. Okay? Don't tell it like program. First topic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Program ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು program ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. See, this is the first one. Your voice is not audible. Seriously, I don't know. This is the first time I'm having something like offline plus one. Next. Yesterday, when they told me this, I was scared. What is going to happen? ಅದರಿಂದ ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. In life, you will have lots of experiences. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ experience. Okay, did you get the PDF? So now, forget about the PDF for the time being. If you want, you can follow along. Now open Madi, just see whatever is written. I will also open side by side so that you can follow that it is actually going according to that. Okay, this is the PDF. As I said, the first thing that it has to do even is to is what? Build automation tool. Okay, it's a build automation tool. First thing it has is dependency management. It has to build automation. Whatever manually you are doing, you have to automate that. Then consistent project structure. We don't have to bother about creating those folders. It will automatically do. Just like standard packages should create. Then it helps you to integrate with CI tools like Netflix. That is the third or fourth topic in your syllabus. Okay? This is why it is important. Now, first thing first, we have to create a Maven project. So all of you have installed Maven now, no problem. That's why before this beginning only, we should create that project. So now what I will do, you can see here, open IntelliJ idea, go to file new project, and see the Maven project, right? Go to IntelliJ idea. Here you can see already this project is running. What I will do, I will go to file, go to new, I'll go to project. You have to select Java first of all. So there is Java on the left hand side corner. Select that Java, and then write down. I'll say SVIT Maven. You can just write Maven demo. SVIT Maven demo. I'm writing. Okay. SVIT Maven demo. And the language here you might not get like that. That corner you will get in Java, which will be like that. But this will be what? Maven. It will not be IntelliJ anymore, it will be Maven. Now we use that particular feature. Okay? Fine. And then go to the PDF and check if there is any other instruction. Nothing else. That's all. Click on finish done. That part is already selected here. You can see. I go here. This is already as simple code is selected, so you don't have to select it. Just do one thing. Click on create. Okay? Click on create. If it is asking this window, click on new window. You got a project, and very important thing, you get a file called form.xml. That file is very, very important. That is the heart of your main project. All your dependencies will be added here on. Okay? What's that? Done? Now, see the project structure properly. Source folder is ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು form.xml ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ form.xml ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ SBIT Maven demo ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ SRC ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ form.xml ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ form.xml ಇದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ form.xml ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇವಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಜಾವಾ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 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 ಆ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ It was Java. I think it is. It is not. Huh? Now.
Those that we are telling about
That is why I am saying someone says 12 program. ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸರ್ ಮೇವೇನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 12 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. So that's why I said there are no programs, there are lots of steps. So that's why I given you that take time, sit and try to understand it. And I will make sure that I create videos for each topic. So that will be easy. ನಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ and I think it will be helping because I am helping you, you guys should be helping me, right? It should be moving for everyone. Okay? ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Keep it for your resource, not for others. ಈ notes ಎಲ್ಲ don't give it to anyone else. Give it to your faculty members only, but not to the students. Okay, now I think everyone got the pom.xml. Sir, Sita, right? Now, in the pom.xml, you will see something called project tag. Just like HTML open tag is there, there is a project opening tag, closing tag. Yes, and then you will have the group ID. By default, it gives you all the example. Don't have to worry about that. You can use that later if needed. And then you will have the project name. This artifact ID is the project name. Whatever name you have given. So as given startup event, that is coming here, right? It will automatically come. And then this is the version. 0.1 snapshot is the version. Version 1.1. Don't have to worry about that. And then you will have the properties. In the properties, you will have the compiler. The compiler I am using is 17. Someone may have 23 or someone might have 17, 18, 19, 21. Whatever you have selected the JDK, that is available. Okay, this one is here. Now, adding dependencies. What was the first dependency that we used? Right? So, this is Maven. Maven project A, we have to go to the online repository from where we will download the jar file. Now, Madala, we'll just click the command here. So, first thing first, after the version tag, can you see version tag? Press enter. Press enter. And give a opening bracket like this. Write dependencies. Dependencies, plural. Inside that, we will add single dependency one. Opening, closing tag, HTML opening, closing tags are just like this. Understand it? Okay. The first jar that we will add is Selenium. Okay. So let's add that. See, go to the browser and open this URL. You will just write Maven Central Repository. Maven Central Repository. Just write like that. Maven Central Repository. I will give you the link so that you can keep it for us. I'll copy this and keep it in one second. This one, once again. You can refer that later. This is the repository. So all our jar files for the project will be in that repository. Okay. Maven Central Repository. What is the this thing I want? Jar file? Selenium, right? Which is the language you are using? Which programming language are we using? Java. So write down Selenium Java in the search bar. Selenium Java. Get it? Press enter. Are you getting Selenium Java, the first one? All of you should be on the same page. Confusion. Click on that Selenium Java. Wherever it is written, just click on that. It will open one more page. You can have license Apache 2.0 and all are coming. Scroll up. At the bottom, you will have a version 4.28.1, the latest. Remember we downloaded that last time. How to manually download material? Selenium.dev website. So which part? After clicking Selenium, let me go and click. So this is Selenium. After clicking, don't worry, no. This is the good thing in engineering, no problem. If you back, doctor imagine doctor maximum laptop crash aಷ್ಟೇ. That's the best part of engineering. Not anyone. Maximum kill the laptop. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you should not be scared of writing any command. I have seen some people they super writing. Should not be like that. Should not be scared of testing it. Doctors should be scared. Thank God we are engineers. Click ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Even you verify your name. Maybe the internet on. WhatsApp ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Go do something. Go to different browser. Google Chrome ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ browser. There should be some Microsoft Bing ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Bing. Scroll up and 4.2.8.1 version. Click on the first one, the top one, the latest version. When you click on that, you are getting something like this. And you have 4.2.8.1. Now scroll up like this, and you can see even greater than the ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. By default, Maven will be selected because this is Maven's environment. So if you want to go to Gradle, you can go for it. You can put in all of them. But what is the one that we want right now? Maven, right? Maven, and just do this. Just do this. Here, take the mouse and click here. Really click ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Really click ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will copy automatically. Just click on this, it will say copy to keyboard. You have to copy also. Just click there, it will copy. Go back to your editor, delete it. Form.xml ನಲ್ಲಿ dependencies ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Inside dependencies, this is one dependency. If you press enter, it will mark. ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಅದು ಅಂಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ now there is one more dependency that you will need. Just go here and type on top. No, Gradle is a different build tool. Not combined with it. What you will do is you will write test ng, TSTNG, all together. Test ng stands for next generation. That's form doesn't matter. Anything is okay. Test ng. You will get org.testng and then work. Click on that test ng. Okay. You will get a version like that. You will get a version 7.10.2. Click on that. Copy the Maven version. Copy ಮಾಡಿ but paste ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you have to be careful. See, dependency tag ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ after that. So all dependencies will be inside the dependencies tag. Like classroom has students. Dependencies tag will have all the individual dependencies. Now, everyone will have a reload button like this on the right corner. Do you have that? Yes. Yes, no. Click Maruka. Okay, no problem. Those who have not done it, to show to the students, just do this. Folder you can see that, right? In the external libraries, other than the Java 17, do you have anything? It should be opened like this. It will close it like this. It will close. Other than Java 17, do you have anything else? You will have because you click on that. Others will not have. Just click on the reload button here, then automatically it will download. And that's why internet is mandatory for us. ಇಲ್ಲ download ನೋಡಿ Vim, Guava, download it.
No service.
It will download. Check at the bottom. We'll have a blue line or something. Downloading. Yes. So I can't hear you. Yes, sir. I have to check what you're telling me. Yeah, in the group you can share that. You got it? The reload ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ you go for a event.
testing out, right? Explain again, but then also. Both are. So I got an emergency call. I joined. I take from my
Sure. Shall we start? Yes. Now change the project structure. Here, in the name, you will have a source folder. Inside the source folder, you will have two things. By default, name creates this. One main folder, one test folder. Yes. This is what I am talking about, project structure. Last time project create ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, this was not like that. This is done by the build tool here. Similarly, when you use Gradle, you will get this project structure. This is following industry standards. So now I will open the test folder and the main folder. You can see there is Java. In the main, you will have one more resources on the identity. In the there will be resources folder. If you are using a Gradle project, there will be a resources folder. What is this for? This is used for web development. Suppose index.html, styles.css, logo.png, I was telling, right? All those should be there in your resources. Okay? Right now, what I will do is, I already have 3 files that I will give you. You can just copy them and put them in the resources folder as well. From WhatsApp, copy them and put them in the resources folder. I'll share with you. Can you even guide me on this error? Error ಬಂದಿದೆ. One second, I'm not sent. Someone has sent this error. Error resolution ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so just a moment. I'm copying and sharing the files. ठीक है? The 3 files: index.html, logo.png, and sites.css. Okay, just copy these 3. New project to go in. The project that we created just now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ resources ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ paste ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, just paste them there. So it will look like this. Whatever files I have given, just copy them and paste it. But when you download the image, it will become something like WhatsApp image. Rename that to logo.png. Right click and logo.png. Right click, refactor, rename and option. Right click, refactor, rename. Download the 3 files and put it in the resources folder.
Two files we got.
2 files. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಲ್ವಾ ಪಕ್ಕನ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 3 ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ Where is it? Sources folder. Resources folder. Not directly. All of you have done this? Download ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ and after that the name will be different. ಅದನ್ನ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿ ತರ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ರೀಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ರೀನೇಮ್ ದಟ್ jpg ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು everyone now just do one thing after that open the index.html double click and open that you will see a browser like Google Chrome Firefox in the browser. You can open that in new browser. You will see this website. Is it opening? In the project, in the IntelliJ project, what you do is index.html file is there, double click and open that file. Okay. ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೋಗೋ ಇದೆಯಾ ಲೋಗೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದು logo.png ಅಂತ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have renamed it will come because in the HTML file the code is different. Searching for logo.png. So, change Change ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Are you all getting that website? Someone is not getting? Yes, no, order ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Sorry? ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? 3 ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐಕನ್ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Waiting for them. Done?
What is that refactor?
Refactor is, I will tell you, suppose you have one file, suppose one variable is ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಡಿ, say demo. Variable is used 1,000 times in your whole project. If you only rename, that variable will be renamed. If you refactor and rename, all the 1,000 variables will be renamed in one time. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು manually ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So if you have one logo.png, all will be renamed. If you have 100, they all will be renamed. ಆ ತರ.
Some projects refactoring the code of the
ಹಾ.
we have heard in some projects.
Yes.
Refactoring the code.
That is different. That is different. This is renaming or something. Done? Everyone got it? Yes, no? Now let's do one thing. Have you done any deployment before this? Have you deployed any website anywhere before this? No? Want to learn deployment also? It will take 5 minutes.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
I'll teach you deployment in 5 minutes. What is taught in 1 month, we'll do in 5 minutes. Okay? Go to GitHub, your GitHub. In GitHub, login ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Okay? Create a new repository, okay? Your GitHub, create a new repository. Go to repositories and create a new repository. New button is there. You know how to create a new one, right? Just click on new. Write down Maven demo or something because we are learning Maven. Maven name for you. Don't give anything else. Right? Maven. I will write SVIT. illa andre adara confusion agutte. So I'm writing SVIT Maven demo. You can write whatever you want so that you can remember. But two repositories can be of the same name. Cannot be of the same name. They have to be unique. Okay. So I've written SVIT Maven demo. I'm copying this here. In the description also, I'm pasting the same name. Okay. And just click create repository. We have already done this many times. So write the name, update the description, and click on create. That you already know. You have done this in the beginning. Create. As soon as you create, what do you get? You get the URL, right? Copy the URL. All of you copy the URL. Done, everyone? Yes, no? Done. Now go back to intelligent, your project, and just see one thing. Go to the PDF that I have shared. Very important part of it. A PDF ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is something that you need to remember. So HTML add ಮಾಡೋದು, index load HTML, CSS add ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is already you have done. Okay? Now, after that, I will show you one thing that you need to remember. Okay? So let's do that. we have to use certain plugins. Okay, plugins. What I will do, I will show you like this. See, there is something called build and plugins. This plugin I will share. You can just copy the same thing and put it in a form.xml. All things will be done in the form.xml only. In case of Gradle project, this file is not there. There is some file called build.get. Adral ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. In Maven, we always do in the form.xml only. There is no other place. Okay. So what I will do, I will just give you something. Copy that. The whole thing I'm giving you. Form.xml. Just copy this part. I'm telling you. Exact thing ಇದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, check your WhatsApp and copy this thing. You got it, everyone? Don't delete anything, just copy that thing. Okay, I'll tell you where to paste it. In the form.xml, after the dependencies tag is ending, do that manually. Press enter after. Okay, and paste it. Paste ಮಾಡಿದ? Which part? No? After the dependencies tag is closing. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ enter press ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ paste. What do you see there? Tell me. The first tag is build. We are building your product. The second tag is plugins. Third tag is plugin, individual plugin. Just like dependencies and dependencies, plugins and plugin. What is the name of the plugin? Just read that. Name it as plugin. Okay. What we are trying to do is, I'll tell you. Can you see something called project.base directory/docs? Okay. And this is the what directory output directory. And where it will go. And from where it will go, SRC main resources. Resources will what we have three files. Three files. Index.html, styles.css, logo. Alinga ali base file. But if you don't create it, it will be done automatically. What docs will be created in your project, there all the things from resources will be covered. See the include properly, include tag double star area. What is there? Carefully check. Double star area. Copy ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I think it got mistake. Right? Double star slash single star. ಈ ತರ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. Just write it like this only. Double star slash single star. You might ask, right, what is the meaning of this? Double star means inside the resources folder, if there is any other folder also, copy that. This part. Anything inside resources, copy. Slash star other node copy. All the okay. Anything with any extension, dot .imd, dot .png, dot .java, dot .python, okay. Okay. Now, there are no errors when you did this. Have the reload button on the side. Always do it after you have done some changes. Always reload. No errors, all fine. Now go to the key. There is something written there. Just take that once. You have to run a command. What is the command? Clean install. Okay. Where will you write this command? Let me show you. Go back to your IntelliJ. Here for you guys, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು terminal ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ terminal. Same. There or here. Just click on that terminal. And there is a drop down like this. Click on that, you will get an option called feedback. So automatically Git is also integrated here. Don't click on that, don't do anything with that. In the terminal, you write that command mvn clean install. Like that. Mvn clean install. MVN space clean space install. It is MVN. But observe Madi, in the project directory, do I have any docs folder? Run this command and after that check. Press enter and run the command. There might be something wrong with the code. Okay, no problem. For me, see, the docs folder will be created. Can you see docs folder created and it got copied? You got the docs folder? For you, it is saying MVN is not recognized. You do one thing. For how many people it is saying that? Not recognized ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Do one thing. On this side, observe carefully. ಈ side ಅಲ್ಲಿ M ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? On the right side M ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದು click ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಯಿರಿ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ರೀಲೋಡ್ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ. ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ತರ. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ there will be two options maybe. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ reload ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ that. Reload, not sync, reload. All good. And now open the project. See arrow ಇದೆ. Click ಮಾಡಿ. See ma'am, see here. You can see the screen. This arrow is there. Right? In the project name, you will have an arrow, right? Click on that. You will have life cycle. ಅಲ್ಲಿ install na double click ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. Double click on that. Did you check doc folder banda? Happy? So your terminal is not recognized. There is some problem with the terminal. No problem. Okay? ಏನಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟೆವರ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಏನಂತ ಸರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಆಯ್ತಾ? Can we have 5 more minutes? Okay, no problem. Yes. Yes. Because ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಾಡಿ. What do you do? Now, you got that docs folder, all of you do one thing. This local terminal, click on this drop down and click on big bash. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು big bash? You're getting big bash? Open that, you will get the git terminal here. Drop down ले यार ये
Git branch.
I said go to this arrow. This arrow. See, ma'am, I'm telling you once again.
Okay.
Telling you once again. Just hold on. You will have something called terminal here.
Yes.
Click on that. Click on that.
Yes.
It opened your terminal here.
Yes.
Then here you have a drop down. See, this is the drop down.
Yes.
Click on Git bash. First step. You know the steps. Git init. Madi, git init. Git init. Correctly ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Don't do mistakes. Git what if initialize before it. Second step, git add dot. All the files are correct. Alva? Now you should remember all the steps that you have done. Git add dot. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ PDF ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I have been doing this for the last 10 years. So today on this, you have to remember gradually you will get to know. Now git commit minus m. A message will say added website files, and here I will write initial commit added website files. Whatever message you want to write, it's not mandatory either, but it should be inside double quotes. Okay. Git commit minus m initial commit added website files inside double quotes. Done. Press enter, it will commit and everything will be fine. Okay. Now we have to connect to the remote GitHub. Git remote add origin. A URL copy ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? Paste the URL. Sorry, not this one. Git remote add origin. I'll go and copy that URL here. This is the URL. Okay, copy and paste. Paste. Okay. You ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Press enter. Add icon. Okay. Done. Done. Added. Then next one. Git push minus u. First time minus u. Origin. ಯಾವ branch? Master branch. Okay, master branch. Git push minus u origin master. Press enter. It will add all the files. Now go to GitHub. Sorry, sir. No problem. No problem.
This was
Done. Now go to your GitHub and refresh ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ madam first time ಬಂದಿದೆ. You got everything, docs folder, everything. Clear? Now important steps. Only 4 steps. Remember. See here. Go to settings. Go to settings. Yes. Go to pages. Pages is there. Vidya? Yes. Yes. You know, here we go.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Say something. After that, there is something called branch.
yes.
Which branch are you trying to deploy? Master branch? Click on master. Right? What is the folder that you are targeting? Docs folder is yeah. Select the docs folder and save. I'm just waiting for some time to see the magic. Just wait.
Now we were in the only single one, now the branch is defined.
So that is the master branch one. Now from the master branch, there are some files. Those files will be visible. Okay. Now do one thing. Refresh ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ page. Just building your website. Just wait for some time. Yeah. Your site is live at ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ Just keep on refreshing for some time, it will come. Did it come? Okay, Banta?
Yes,
Banta?
sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Right click and open a new tab. You got your website deployed?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, you learned basic deployment of static pages. Database ಇರಲ್ಲ but static pages deploy ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅವಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನಾಳೆ ಈ ಪೇಜ್ ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ URL ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ driver.get URL will pass. Okay, then we'll run one more command mvn test. Then mvn will come. After that, we'll move to Gradle. After that, Jenkins. After that, Ansible, and gradually we'll go on. How much ever I can finish, we'll finish. Okay? Personal feedback. Did you like the session? Was it very boring? Interactive?
Yes.
Shall I come tomorrow or shall I get someone else? Yes. Yes. Ask him.
Sir.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ